Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a credit card on Twoguysfinance. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time. Let's just get straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is to go to the Twoguysfinance website and click on credit cards. And then you're going to review the different credit card options and choose the one that best suits your needs. And once you find it, just click apply now, and you're going to need to fill out the online application form. Once that's done, you're going to need to provide required documentation such as proof of income as well as identification. And once you provided all of that, you're just going to need to review and agree to the credit card terms and conditions. Be sure to read through that well and get a better understanding of everything before proceeding. But once you've proceeded, you're going to receive a credit decision, and if approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail. Now, once you get it, just activate your credit card and set up a PIN for it. And you can use your credit card responsibly and make timely payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a credit card on Twoguysfinance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys